Number 1.
1998 GMC Sierra 1500, price $6,700. It has approximately 199,000 miles and is powered by a reliable 5.0L V8 gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission. Finished in a gold exterior with a tan interior, the truck offers a classic appearance that has been well maintained over the years. The automatic transmission was professionally rebuilt approximately 25,000 miles ago and shifts smoothly. The air conditioning blows cold, and the heater works properly. Additional upgrades include tinted windows, a bed cover, hood guard, window visors, attractive aftermarket wheels, good condition tires, and new headlights and taillights. The truck has a solid body with no rust. The speedometer currently reads faster than the vehicle's actual speed and is not accurate. The front passenger side tire has a slow air leak that may require repair or replacement. The truck has been lowered with front suspension modifications and rear drop shackles, giving it a more aggressive stance.
Number 2.
2001 Ford Ranger, price $7,850, featuring a dependable 4.0L V6 gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission and a capable four-wheel drive system. It has only 98,000 original miles and comes with a clean Rhode Island title through a private sale. The truck is finished in a classic white exterior with a clean gray cloth interior, offering a comfortable and well-kept cabin that has been owned by a non-smoker. The vehicle has received extensive recent maintenance, including brand new tires, new brakes and rotors, a fresh oil change, and recently serviced front and rear differential fluids. It also features a brand new thermostat and thermostat housing, a brand new rear main seal, and a recently serviced air conditioning system that blows ice cold. Additional features include an extended cab configuration, power windows, power door locks, and a clean cloth interior.
Number 3. 1998 GMC 1500, price $8,000, solid and dependable full-size pickup that runs and drives great. It features an extended cab paired with a long bed, making it a practical choice for both work and everyday use. Powered by a reliable 5.7L V8 gasoline engine and equipped with an automatic transmission and 4x4 drivetrain, this truck is built to handle a variety of driving conditions with confidence. Finished in a classic white exterior with a tan interior, the truck has accumulated 202,000 miles and remains in good running condition. It has been upgraded with new headlights and taillights, 8x180 Chevy HD wheels mounted on adapters, and a leveled suspension that gives it a more aggressive stance while maintaining excellent drivability. Overall, this well-maintained GMC 1500 offers a strong combination of capability, reliability, and classic truck appeal. Number 4.
1995 Chevrolet S10, price $7,200. It is equipped with an automatic transmission and has been extensively upgraded for strong street performance. Powered by an incredible-sounding 355 small-block Chevy V8, this S10 features a performance camshaft that delivers an aggressive exhaust note. Power is sent through a TH350 automatic transmission with a shift kit and a stall converter, providing quick, responsive shifts and excellent acceleration. The truck has received numerous recent upgrades and maintenance, including new spark plugs and wires, a new battery, new valve guides, valve springs, lifters, retainers, and a new 650 CFM Edelbrock EVS2 carburetor. It is also equipped with brand new front and rear tires, Caltrac traction bars, a Holly Blue electric fuel pump, new brake lines, new fuel lines, a new fuel pressure regulator, and new brakes.
Number 5.
2001 Chevrolet S10, price $8,500. This pickup is a well-built custom truck that has traveled 142,000 miles and is powered by a strong 350 small-block V8 engine paired with a turbo 350 automatic transmission. Finished in blue with a gray interior, this gasoline-powered pickup offers a classic lowrider style along with dependable V8 performance. The truck is equipped with a full air ride suspension system featuring box controls, allowing the ride height to be adjusted with ease. It has been built as a fun and eye-catching cruiser that delivers both performance and unique style. Overall, this 2001 Chevrolet S10 lowrider is a clean, enjoyable custom truck that is ready to be driven and appreciated by its next owner.
Number 6.
1998 Ford Ranger, price $4,200, powered by a proven 4.0L V6 gasoline engine paired with a smooth-shifting automatic transmission. It has 215,000 miles on the odometer and features a classic blue exterior complemented by a clean tan interior. Despite its mileage, the truck has been well maintained and continues to perform reliably, making it an excellent choice for daily driving, work, or outdoor adventures. Several important upgrades have recently been completed to improve both performance and reliability. The truck is equipped with a brand new set of premium BF Goodrich All-Terrain T/KO2 tires,
offering aggressive tread design and excellent traction in a wide range of driving conditions, from paved roads to rough trails. It has also received new front and rear brakes, along with new shocks, providing improved ride quality, handling, and stopping power.
Number 7.
2002 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,500. This truck features a charcoal exterior paired with a gray interior, giving the truck a clean and timeless appearance.
It is powered by a gasoline engine and equipped with an automatic transmission for smooth and convenient driving.
The truck has accumulated 249,000 miles and remains well suited for everyday use, work, or hauling tasks. The exterior is enhanced with custom chrome wheels and tinted windows, adding a stylish touch to its rugged design. It also comes with an extended cab that provides additional passenger or storage space, along with a durable bed liner to help protect the truck bed from wear and damage. A tow hitch is installed, making the vehicle ready for towing trailers, boats, or other equipment whenever needed.
Number 8.
1997 Ford Ranger, price $3,750. This truck has approximately 200,000 miles and is equipped with a dependable V6 gasoline engine paired with a smooth-shifting automatic transmission. It features an attractive green exterior complemented by a clean tan interior, making it a well-maintained and comfortable pickup. According to the seller, the truck runs quietly and performs well.
It comes equipped with ice-cold air conditioning, a tilt steering wheel, cruise control, a stereo system, and a set of good tires.
The paint and body are in nice condition, while the interior has been kept clean and well cared for. The vehicle has a clean title and is available for viewing by appointment.
Number 9.
1997 Dodge Ram 1500, price $2,395, equipped with a powerful 5.9L V8 gasoline engine paired with a smooth automatic transmission, delivering dependable performance for both everyday driving and work-related tasks. With 160,000 miles on the odometer, the truck continues to run and drive well, demonstrating its reliability in solid mechanical condition. Finished in a sleek black exterior complemented by a well-kept gray interior, this Dodge Ram presents itself nicely for its age. The paint remains in good condition, giving the truck an attractive appearance, while the interior has been carefully maintained, providing a clean and comfortable cabin. Overall, this well-maintained truck is ready to serve its next owner with reliable performance and timeless styling.
Number 10.
1998 Dodge Dakota, price $2,900, well-maintained compact pickup with 143,000 miles on the odometer. Finished in green with a gasoline-powered 2.5-liter Iron Duke inline-4 engine, it is paired with a smooth-shifting 5-speed manual transmission and a strong clutch. The Iron Duke engine shares a similar design philosophy with the Jeep 4.0L inline-6, making it well known for its simplicity, durability, and long-term reliability. The truck starts easily, runs smoothly, and delivers a comfortable driving experience. It rides and drives great, with all major systems functioning properly, including the air conditioning, which still blows ice cold. There are no check engine lights or other warning indicators, reflecting its solid mechanical condition. The only notable cosmetic issue is the faded paint and peeling clear coat, which is consistent with its age.